If you run an auto repair shop and want a simple way to manage calls, jobs, scheduling, and customers, this video is for you. Today, I will show you how exactly AutoLeap auto repair software works, step by step, so you can see how modern auto repair shop management software runs a real shop from start to finish. So what is auto repair software? At its core, auto repair software is also known as auto repair shop management software. Helps shops manage scheduling, inspections, estimates, invoices, customers communication, and reporting, all in one system. Instead of juggling spreadsheets, paper, whiteboards, and disconnected tools, shop management software like AutoLeap keeps everything connected in one place. Most shops don't look for a new software because the business is slow. They do it because things get harder to manage as they grow. Calls go unanswered, jobs get double booked, estimates take too long, and customers wait for updates. And it becomes very hard to see what's really happening at the shop. That's why shops move into AutoLeap auto repair software to reduce manual work, prevent mistakes, communicate clearly, and get full visibility into their operations. Before we even get to the calendar, this is where most of the customer journey actually begins, the phone call. AutoLeap includes AIR, an AI receptionist that never miss a call. AIR answers customer questions in a natural, human-like way, books appointments, and captures details automatically, even after hours, on weekends, and on a holiday. So while your shop is closed, AIR continues to work. It's always on, always available, and always human-sounding, making sure that no call turns into a missed opportunity. Once AIR books the appointment, it flows directly into your AutoLeap scheduling calendar. From here, you can drag and drop jobs, assign technicians, and see what's in progress, what's waiting, and what's coming up next. Everything, calls, jobs, and customers, is managed in this one live calendar. AutoLeap integrates with Carfax, pulling in vehicle history and prior repair data, so your team has a full context before work begins. Service history, bin details, notes, and past approvals stay connected, even if the customer hasn't visited in months. Before any work begins, shops build an estimate. Inside AutoLeap, you can create clear, detailed estimates with recommended services, labor, and pricing, all laid out transparently for your customers. Next comes the inspection. Technicians complete DVI or digital vehicle inspection using photos and videos, while attached directly to the estimate. Customers can see exactly what's going on with their vehicle, which builds trust and increases approval rate. As recommendations are finalized, parts can be easily added to the estimate. With AutoLeap, it's simple to put parts from inventory or order what's needed without leaving the system. It also tracks parts and inventory, so you always know what's in stock, what's low, or what needs to be ordered. No wasted time, no overstocking. Once the customer approves the estimate digitally, AutoLeap turns that approved estimate into an invoice in just one click. No retyping, no missing charges, everything stays accurate. AutoLeap also supports integrated payment processing, making checkout quick and easy for both your team and your customers. It also offers multiple payment methods to cater to different types of customers and their convenience. Finally, reporting. AutoLeap gives shops real-time insights into revenue, job status, average repair orders, and technician productivity, all from one dashboard, so you can make quality decisions. Here is what a real shop workflow looks like using AutoLeap auto repair software. A customer calls, AIR answers, and books the appointment. The job appears on the calendar. An estimate is created. A digital inspection is completed. Parts are added. The customer approves digitally. The job is completed. An invoice is created and payment is processed. Every step is connected inside AutoLeap. There are plenty of tools out there, but most shops switch to AutoLeap because they want one system built for real daily operations, not multiple apps stitched together. AutoLeap is designed to scale with growing shops and multi-location businesses, replacing manual processes with one connected workflow. That's a full look on how AutoLeap auto repair software works in a real shop environment. If you want more walkthroughs or shop management tips, please subscribe to the channel and drop a comment with your shop size and your biggest challenge. We read everyone. Thanks for watching.